Hello, welcome to Markets and Consumers. I wanted to stop by and first welcome you to class, but more importantly, kind of go over a few things since we aren't in class face to face together this time. I won't take up too much of your time. I know how long videos get boring and whatever, but I would also like to offer you the option to do a virtual class 1 day a week. It's totally your choice, and it would probably be either on a Tuesday or a Thursday. So if that's something you want to do, let me know. I am more than happy to do that. I want to look into Blackboard and show you a few things. And so this is the Start Here module. You've probably already looked at it, but in case you haven't, here you go. Your syllabus is right here, and I actually am going to pull that up real quick and go over a couple of things. My email and office information are there. My office is on the second floor of BTC. You're welcome to make an appointment with me because of social distancing and all of that good stuff. If you want to come see me face to face, we're actually going to need to meet in a classroom. I'm totally fine doing that. Just make sure you tell me when you're coming. I also am going to make some virtual office hours. That way you can just pop in virtually and see me and talk face to face anytime you want to. So, other than that, let's look at a couple of things. There are the book that we're going to use, and I've got it sitting right next to me. Hang on one second. The book that we're going to use, it's only one book, but I'm going to show two versions. I don't know which one the bookstore has. They're very similar. I'm not going to ask you to take one of them back, but it likely looks like this. It's called the Brand Builder Workbook. And so please go get it. It should be super inexpensive. I've also got a few extra resources that I'm giving you that will be free. So there will be some weeks that we're not in your book at all. And so I will provide whatever it is that we need to talk about that day. Also, your course schedule is at the end of the syllabus. I do want you to go back and read all this. I'm not going to read it all to you on a video. That's insanely boring. But the course schedule is here. Along with the topics that we'll be talking about. One thing I want you to find is the accommodation policy. If you need disability accommodations, you must go talk to Disability Services first, and their information is here on the screen as listed in your syllabus. So make sure you visit with them first. In our course, you're going to use everything that's in course content. So I've got the first 2 weeks uploaded for you already. And you've got a welcome message. You've got a list of things to do. I'm literally going to give you a list of things to do every single week. So make sure that you're paying attention to what that list is. I'm asking you this week to do a couple of things. Read the syllabus. Do the syllabus agreement test or course agreement form. It's the same thing. That's located in the Start Here module. Do your own biography right here. I've done a get to know me post in there, and I'd like for you to do the same thing in return so we can get to know each other. Other than that, I'll probably send out an email here pretty soon about if you want to meet once a week for a virtual class. I hope that we can do it either on a Tuesday or a Thursday. But I'm pretty flexible too. So if that's something that you want to do, let me know. If we were in class right now, we would go over the syllabus, we would look at Blackboard, we would look at the book, and then we would introduce ourselves. So please make sure you're going out to the biography link here and introducing yourself to the class and interact with each other. The more we get to know each other, the better. So, but anyway, I'll keep this short. I want to be respectful of your time. If you need anything, please email me. I am an email away. I am working on my laptop right now, and I literally take it everywhere I go. So, and I've got email on my phone. I'm going to ask you to do the same thing. I'm not going to ask you to take a laptop everywhere you go. I am going to ask you to check your email every day, please. daily. The expectation is that you check it once a day at least, because I literally do not have a way to get in contact with you otherwise at this point. Other than that, if you're checking your email every day, if you're checking Blackboard, if you're communicating with me, that's all I ask. If, heaven forbid, you get diagnosed with COVID and your symptoms are just absolutely terrible, one email to tell me that you've been diagnosed is what I need. I will probably check on you to get updates to kind of see where we're at. In normal, non-COVID life, I don't really allow for late work. But let's be serious. We're in the middle of a pandemic right now. As long as you're communicating with me, that's all I ask of you. If the time comes that life happens and you just drop off the face of the planet and I don't hear from you for a month, that's when we're going to have issues, because as long as those lines of communication are open between me and you, I'm happy camper, and I'm going to work with you, and everything is going to be just fine. So don't ever hesitate to reach out to me. I am here for you, and I am super excited about this class, and I hope that you are too. So if you need me, holler. Email me anytime you need, okay? I'll talk to you later.